Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to post to Instagram from Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application. And firstly, make sure that you sign in into your account on the Instagram, in the Instagram application, and after that open Google Photos app. So select photo or video what you wanna post, let's say this one, click at the share at the left bottom, or if you select multiply photos or photo, click share right here. And then it will open for you this menu. You need to select the application. You need to select Instagram application, so you need to find it. Also, if you have Android, not iOS, you need to scroll down and you will have the list with the application. On the iPhone, we need to click more. And right here, find the Instagram. Tap at the Instagram application. And then select what you want to do with this photo. You want to post it in Reels, post it to add to the story, or send it to someone. Let's say I want to add it to the story. So I select the story. It will open for me the Instagram, and now I can post it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.